So we are talking a little bit about how to make your dog fireworks proof, and we have here our friend Echo, 4th of July. You ready? Go get this. Oh, where's the ball? Got it. Come on, let's go here. So we have Echo here, and we're gonna play ball. There you go. There you go. No, back, sit. Sit. Good boy. Down. There you go. Wow, where are we going? There you go, boy. Come on. Out. No, you're biting too much. Out. Leave it. Okay. Back. Go. Back. Good. Down. Nice. Ready? Go get him. Oh, go get him. That's a good job. All right, out. I'm gonna take this. Now, go up. Yes, good boy. There he goes. Oh, who's a good boy? Where's the ball? Who has the ball? Where's the good with the ball? With the ball? Go get him. Yeah, nice. Good job. I have to see that my camera is focusing in on this dog. Ready? Who's faster? There you go. I'm surprised how good you can see at night. I'm just shooting the ball in the dark. Go. And this is not a big deal for him. Come on, let's go. Where are you? Can we see back there? Yeah, the camera can see better than me. Echo. Where is he? Are you ready? There you go. Okay. You have to let go. Back. Go back. There you go. Ha! He caught it in the dark. Nuts. He's so good. Ready? Go get him. Come on. This is like a night vision camera. So on the camera we can see much better than I can see here. It's so dark here. Okay. Where is it? There we go, into the dark. He's somewhere there. There, he's coming back. There you go. Good boy. Very good. Good job. Ready? Oh. Nice. Ready? All right. So, again, we do this since the dog is a puppy. You can play with like one of those Bluetooth speakers. You play little firework sounds while you play, right? Like in a low volume thing, and then you play on a regular basis with your dog like this, right? Have this little firework sound every once in a while, not every time. During the year, every once in a while, okay. And then when there is fireworks going on, then we go and play, right? And so there's nothing special about those noises. Where are you? And go! I forgot to do this with one of the dogs, and it's like just the pain in the butt when the dog gets scared of this. Out, go back. There you go. And the longer we do this, the better. I just have to be careful that I don't overheat him, because we have like a high humidity, good temperature here, So we don't want to overheat, but the overheating from running around so much, right? So in the dark you can't see the color of his tongue. So you have to watch out for other things. Come here, come. Over here. No, come closer, come. Sit. No, come closer. Sit. Stay. So we're gonna take a look at his tongue, and it's getting from pink a little darker. I can tell with him. So his tongue is getting more and more blue the hotter he gets, and it's very dry right now. Yeah, so he needs to get some water, and we need to do playing. We need to do like wait a little bit, and we have to do it later. So let's get some water, get him inside to cool down in the AC, and then we can go out here later again if you want, or go for a walk or whatever, I don't know. Alright, let's go back inside. Come on, Echo. Time to have a break. I'm gonna get some water, right? Out. Get water? You wanna get some water? No? No water? Okay. Then you go inside. Come on. Let's go in. Come on.